I'm going to read Look Inside Snowman's Garden. Tom and Jane are helping Dad to clear the snow away. It won't take us long, says Tom, and then we both can play. Jane says, let's make a snowman. I'll fetch a hat and scarf. That sounds like fun, says her brother, as he clears the garden path. They make a super snowman under the old oak tree. The animals in the garden all come up close to see. 3 buttons and a carrot. The top hat fits just right, says Jane. Let's wrap him in the scarf so he'll be warm tonight. Tom and Jane are really pleased. Their snowman looks great from head down to his feet. It's getting late. It's supper time, says Jane. Let's go and eat. Good night, Snowman, they both say. We'll see you in the morning. It's Christmas Day tomorrow, and Santa will be calling. At night, when everyone's asleep and the snow is falling down, suddenly, Snowman comes to life when he hears a magic sound. 2 reindeer look over the garden wall with their sleigh bells ringing. Santa's here, says Snowman, and all the birds start singing. Ho, 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 cries Santa, full of Christmas cheer. You really are the best snowman that I have seen all year. We have a special prize for you, and then we'll be on our way. We'd like to decorate your garden in time for Christmas Day. Thank you very much, says Snowman. The elves work merrily, hanging streamers and Christmas bells around the old oak tree. Their sacks are full of ornaments of every shape and size. When Tom and Jane see this, they will be pleasantly surprised. We've finished now, says Santa. Merry Christmas and good cheer. We really must be going. It's a busy time of year. Goodbye, Santa. Goodbye, elves, says Snowman. Do take care. Then everything was quiet and still as they took to the air. On Christmas morning, Tom and Jane came rushing out to see all the splendid decorations hanging on the tree. I wonder who did this, said Tom, smiling with delight. Let's ask our snowman, whispered Jane. He has been here all night. That's the end.